please have a piece?
This is my garlic herb monkey bread. It looks amazing, smells amazing, and tastes amazing. It's also very easy to make, so if you want to have a go, I'll leave the recipe in the description of the video. I begin with 1,000 grams of flour. All-purpose is fine. I then add a generous sprinkle of Italian seasoning and a bit of salt. Add 700 grams of warm water and about 10 grams of yeast. I like to activate the yeast in the warm water before adding it to the flour.
All done? So are you making monkey bread?
I think the yeast is activated enough.
So you're making monkey
Yes,
bread?
I am. Mix in the bowl, then knead the dough until it's nice and smooth. It's quite sticky now, but after a few minutes, the dough will become much easier to work with. Just be patient and enjoy the process. Let the dough rise for about an hour.
First, I know it's all like
While you wait, chop up some garlic and add it to 250 milliliters of olive oil. Add your choice of seasonings. For mine, I added dill, basil, parsley, garlic powder, and salt.
Actually, a lot of that. And that looks good.
This is such nice dough.
Yeah, really.
When the dough is ready, simply rip off chunks and dip them in the oil and spice mixture.
Dipping them in there. So we're making kind of croissants these.
Nope.
I'm curious what we're making. Breadsticks?
No.
Kind of.
Oh, so we're kind of making breadsticks?
Kind of twisting them up.
More of
that.
that on the bottom.
Arrange the seasoned dough in a Bundt pan.
Oh. So we're doing the opposite. Well, we're doing something different.
Do you need more stuff?
Nope, I'll be good.
Yes, I need some.
There. Don't forget to add grated Parmesan cheese if you have some. It really brings this bread to another level. Let the dough rise for about 30 minutes, then bake at 350 for about 30 to 40 minutes.
Wait. This is getting up
That's why I wasn't going to say anything. This wasn't actually. I'm just trying to trick you. That's funny though, isn't it? You're not scared for
That looks
it.
good.
Oh.
Feel free to let me know if you made this recipe and how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching.